What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you guys step-by-step method you can use to promote your Clickbank products for free using solo ads, guys, which is completely free, guys. So be sure to watch step by step till the end of this video to discover step by step. I'm going to show you guys how you can use this method and start promoting your Clickbank products for free, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online, Clickbank methods, and online earning methods, guys. And if you want to learn how to make some extra money fast, be sure to click the first link in the description to learn more, guys. So that's it, guys. Let's get right into the video. Let me show you guys how you can follow this step-by-step method, implement it today, and start getting some free traffic back to your Clickbank offers and start making some sales. So let's get right into the video, guys. So the first step, guys, with this method is that you're going to go to Clickbank as always, and you're going to choose a high converting product. So we're going to go to Clickbank, we're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to be promoting products in the e-business and e-marketing category. So the type of make money online products are the type of products that convert the best for this type of free traffic method I'm going to be show you guys. So we're just going to go to e-business and e-marketing category, and you can choose any of these products. You can choose any of these categories and you can promote these affiliate products. So for this example, we're just going to click on e-business and e-marketing category. We're going to sort by gravity to see the top converting products on this particular category. So you can see the most converting product on this particular category is the 12-minute affiliate system. You can see, guys, the initial sale is $13 and you can make up to $55 promoting this particular product. So we're just going to promote this one for this example. So let's check out the affiliate page of this product. So this is the affiliate page of the product, guys, and you can see you can earn up to $398 per sale, guys. So this is a good product you can go and promote. So let's check out the funnel. So you can see, guys, the front end offer is $9.95 and you're going to get 50% commission. There's an upsell, you're also going to get 50% commission, guys, on, and this is the funnel, guys. You can see up to $49. So if someone is paying $49 per month, you're going to be getting 50% recurring commission, guys. And there are other upsells of this product, and this product is converting very well. So this is a good product you can go and promote with this particular method, guys. And they also have affiliate tools that you can go and promote this product very easily. So you want to look for a product that has affiliate tools that is going to help you to promote this very easily with this method I'm going to be showing you guys. So once you have chosen the product you're going to be promoting, so we're going to be promoting the 12-minute affiliate system for this example, guys. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to promote this product using free traffic. So let me show you guys the website you're going to be using. So stay right to the end. I'm also going to show you guys how you can make a lot more money by getting a lot more traffic, guys. So I'm going to show you guys another free traffic source that you can make a lot more money, guys. So with this first traffic source I'm going to show you guys is this website. This website is called aemailer.com. So this is the name of the website, aemailer.com. So this is a website that you can go and send solo ads for free, guys. So these are companies that have big lists that you can go and sign up for these free websites, and you can send emails to their members, guys. So you can go and promote your products for free on this website, guys, and it's called save list, guys. So save lists are people that have big lists that you can go and join, and you're going to promote your products by sending out emails to their members. So what they're going to do, guys, they're going to be promoting this product, sending emails. So let me show you guys this one, for example. So I'm going to show you guys another website that you can get a lot more traffic more than this one by the end of this video, guys. So be sure to watch step by step till the end of the video, as I'm going to show you guys the traffic source that you can go and use, guys. So what you're going to do from here, guys, are just going to go to this website and you're going to sign up for a free account. So all you have to do from here is sign up, click on sign up, and you're going to sign up for a free account. So you're just going to sign up for a free account. You're just going to write, for example, and you're just going to input a username, and that's all, guys. All you have to do is input your email address. So let's say I'm just going to input this email address, and that's all. You're going to click on this. You're going to sign up for aemailer. So that's all. You're going to sign up for a free account. So let's just log in. So we're just going to click on login. So let's just copy this and our password, and we're just going to click on login. We're going to be able to log into this website, guys. That's it. We're going to click on login, and that's it, guys. All you have to do from here is go and verify your account. So I'm just going to go to my email address and I'm going to verify. Click on the link that I've sent me from this website. I'm going to verify my account. So let's verify our account. So let's just paste this link to verify our account. So that's, guys, our account has been verified. So let's click on login again, and let's log in back to our account. So that's it, guys. They're going to provide you with these offers, so you don't need any of this. So you don't need to pay any of this. So you're just going to scroll right at the bottom. We're going to click on no thanks. We're going to go back to our account. So you're just going to skip all of this, and we're going to go back to our account. So we're going to click on continue to members area, and we're going to go to our members area, guys. So that's it, guys. You can upload a profile picture. You can just leave it like this. So we're just going to click on this no photo, please. We're going to go back to our members area. So we're going to skip all of this. And from here, guys, you can go on, you can start sending emails on this website for free, guys. So I'm going to show you guys at the end a bigger website that you can go on, send a lot more emails, and you can get a lot more traffic than this website that I'm showing you guys right now, guys. So what you can do, guys, that you can earn credits. So you click on this, you can earn credits to send mail. So if you have a lot of credits, you can send some emails, guys. So all of this can watch some few ads, and you're going to get a lot more credits to send emails to your list, guys. But once you sign up for a free account, you're going to get 1000 credits. So you can see here you have 1000 credits, which means that you can send an email to your list right now. So you can start promoting your first product. You can send your first email right now and start promoting your first Clickbank product on this website, as you already have 1000 free credits, guys. So what I want to do for me, guys, you can just click on this. So every click on this, click on send email. You're going to see you're going to email one time every 72 hours, guys. So after 72 hours, you can send an email to this list again, guys. So I'm also going to show you guys other two websites, guys. I'm going to show you guys other two websites that you can go and do this strategy, so you can be mailing from different websites, and you're going to get 2 times or 3 times more traffic, guys. So what I want to do for me, guys, is that you're going to send an email to the list on this website, and you're going to be promoting your affiliate product, guys. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to write a subject, and you're going to write the body, and you're going to leave links back to your affiliate offer. So you can see you have 879 credits. So what you're going to do for me, guys, is that you're going to go back to Clickbank. So this is the product. So this is the affiliate page. So we went to the affiliate page of the product, and we're going to get these emails that you can just send to this list on this website, and we're going to link it back to our affiliate offer. So you don't need to create all of this. So the tools have already been done for us. So you have to just click on email swipes. I can see a lot of email swipes that you can use, guys. So what you have to do from here is copy the subject line. So you can just copy the subject line, and we're going to go back to our email website. We're going to input this as our subject. So you can just input this as subject, and we're going to go back. We're going to copy the email again. We're going to copy the entire email. So this is it, guys. We're going to copy this. We're going to go back to our emailer, and we're just going to paste this as our email, guys. And that's it, guys. All you have to do is just paste this, and you can change some of this text. So the email has already been done for you. All you have to do is just edit this. You can remove this. So you're going to remove this one, for example. So you can just leave this link. So you can replace this with your affiliate link, guys. So you can just input our affiliate link inside here. So that's it, guys. You can just input your affiliate link like this, or you can just go back to Clickbank and click on promote. You're going to get your affiliate link, and you're just going to put it on this website. So you're just going to click on generate hub links. You can copy this link. I can include this in your email as well, guys. So you can input this in your email, and at the end you can just write your name, for example. And that's all, guys. The next, we want to input your affiliate link as well here. So you're going to paste your affiliate link and the credits, guys. So you have 879 credits. So you're just going to put, for example, 800 credits, and that's done, guys. All you have to do for me is verify your email. Make sure that you have created the email very well, and all you have to do is click on send, guys. So that's all. You have to click on send, and your email will be sent, guys.
In this quick video, I'm going to share with you.
So you can see, guys, your message has been queued and it's sent to 800 members, guys. So you're going to, so this email has been sent to 800 people for free, guys. So all you have to do is just go to this website. You can earn some credits, and you don't need any investment to get started with this method, guys. With the other method I'm going to show you guys, the other website I'm going to show you guys, you can get a lot more traffic than this, guys. So you can see, guys, the potential of this. You can make a lot of money promoting this particular product, guys. So for this particular website, guys, you can see you are going to email people only after 72 hours because you are using the free membership, guys. So you don't need to get the premium membership. So you can get the premium membership, but you don't need it for this method, guys. So you can just be doing this for free, and you're going to be sending traffic back to your affiliate offer, guys. So if you click on this, you can see your stats. So if you click here, you're going to see the stats. So this is the email that we just sent. You can see it has been sent to 800 people, guys, and it's going to show you how many clicks you got from promoting this product using this free website, guys. So this is a website you can go on, really get a lot of free traffic, guys. So all you have to do is take action on this method and you can start getting a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offers, guys. So this website is completely free for you to join. So that's it, guys. Your email has been sent to over 800 people, guys, and all you did, guys, is for free. So let me show you guys the other websites that you can go and get a lot more traffic than this website that I'm showing you guys. So the website is called freesavelistmailer.com. So this is the name of the website, freesavelistmailer.com. As you can see, I'm also a member of this website, so I'm logging to my account now, guys, and I can also send a lot of emails back to these people on this website, guys. So the main reason I want to join this particular website, for example, you can see that it has 46,000 members, guys, which means that you can send a lot of emails to a lot of people on this website, guys. So let me show you guys the next website as well that you can go and use and send people back to your affiliate offer. Is this website called activesavelist.com. So this activesavelist.com is a website that has a lot of members as well. So you can see he has 14,000 members on this website, guys. So he has 14,000 members that are active that you can go and send emails to this type of people on this website, guys. So all you have to do is just send these emails back to these people on this website, and you're going to link it back to your affiliate offer, and you're going to be getting a lot of free traffic, and you can start making some sales promoting this particular product, guys. So you click on send email. So you can just copy the last email and you can just paste it in the other websites, and we're going to send people back to our affiliate website. So let's click on this. So we click on this. Okay, that's going to go back to our affiliate offer. So this is going to lead people back to our affiliate offer, guys. So all you have to do is just go back and just copy the email. So just copy the email swipes. So you can just copy the headline as well as you did. So let's copy the second one and just copy this one, for example. Once go see, so this is my account. I've already logged in and I can just send an email to people on this website. So I'm just going to paste this as my subject line. And next, guys, I can just go back to the website. I can just copy all of this. And that is it, guys. Just paste. I'm just going to paste this. I'm going to replace everything with my affiliate link. I'm going to delete all of this. And that's it, guys. You can see I have up to 105,000 free credits on this website, guys. So all you have to do is sign up for this free account on this website, and you're going to get a lot of credits already that you can just start sending emails for free on this website, guys. So what I have to do for me is, so this is the URL I'm going to be promoting. Just replace this with your affiliate link. So let's go back to Clickbank. Let's click on promote again, and let's get our affiliate link. So that is it. We're going to click on copy. We're going to go back to our emailer. We're going to paste as our affiliate link. And that's it, guys. All you have to do is just click on preview email. So you're going to, this is how your email is going to look like, guys. So this is how the email is going to look like. I can see link back to our affiliate offer is included in the email, guys. So you can see this is a link, and this is our link, guys. So click on test. This is how it's going to look like once anybody click on the link, guys. So it's going to take them back to our affiliate offer, as you can see, guys. So all I have to do for me is click on send credit email. So we're going to send this. So we have 105,000 credits. So I'm just going to put, for example, 100,000. And that's all, guys. All I have to do is click on send credit email, and this email is going to be sent to a lot of people, guys. So as guys can see, our email has been sent on this website for completely free, and all you have to do is just go and sign up for these free websites, and you can get a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offers, guys. So that's a simple method I want to share with you guys. If you found value in this video, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and leave a like on this video, so I'll continue to make these videos on how to make money online and how to get targeted traffic that is going to help you guys to make some extra money online, guys. So that's it, guys. If you want to learn how to make some extra money online, be sure to click the first link in the description as well to learn more, guys. So that's it, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.